Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. This is our second maths online lecture for class 7. In our today's lecture, we discuss the unit number 1 topic union in detail. What is union? And the definition is the union of two sets A and B is a set consisting of all the elements which are in set A or set B or in both. Means the union of two sets means all the consisting of elements of two sets. It is denoted by A union B and read as A union B. U is a sign of union. Now we discuss this topic in example. Okay students, our question is A is a set of vowels A, E, I, O, U and B is a set of three small letters of English alphabet A, B and C, and we find the A union B. Now solve this question. First we write A union B at the start, equal sign, and then first we write the set A, E, I and O, bracket close, and then we put the sign of union and then set B, A, B and C, and then bracket close. Okay student, now solve the question, equal sign, and then the bracket. First we write the elements of set A, E, I, O, and then we write the elements of set B, but we don't write A because we write A at the start, and we write these elements which are not in set A, B and C, and bracket close. Okay student, this is our question. A union B, we write all the elements which are consisting of set A and set B are all in both. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Now we solve the exercise question. Okay students, now open your book page number 8. In our today's lecture we discussed exercise 1.2. First question, find the union of the following set. These are all the questions in which we find the union of the following sets. Okay, now let's start to solve the question number 1. Okay student, this is our first question of exercise 1.2. In this question, set A having 3 elements 1, 3 and 5, and set B having 4 elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we find the unions of both sets in A union B. And now we solve the question. Okay, now let's start. A union B, equal sign, and now first we write the set A, 1, 3 and 5, bracket close, put the union sign, and then set B, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay students, now put a equal sign, then bracket. First we write the 1, then we write 2 because we write all the elements, 2, then 3, then 4, and at the end we write 5. These are all the elements of set A and B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay student, this is our second question. In this question there are two sets, set S which having 3 small letter alphabet A, B and C, and set T which having three small letters of English alphabet C, D and E, and we find the S union T. Okay, now let's solve the question. S union T equal to bracket. First we write the set A elements, then put a union sign and then bracket, and now we write the set T elements C, D and E and bracket close. Okay, now let's start equal sign, put a bracket. Now let's start. First we write A, then B, then C. After C we write D because we write all the elements, and E and bracket close. This is our second question. Okay student, these are all the union questions of this exercise. You can solve these questions as above. I hope you understand my today's lecture. Now it's the time to say Allah Hafiz. Stay safe.